I have spent a lot of money on my teeth. I have bridges and crowns, and over the years, because of my age, of course, I've had to have certain teeth replaced. I've even had implants, and they go through every step with you before they even start doing anything. Okay, they let you know what it's going to cost, what the procedure is going to be, and then they're very caring about when they're doing it, which is important to me, when they're doing the process, that you're not in any pain whatsoever, and that's important to me. Yeah, I had anxieties in my younger days because I just didn't have the care and like they put out. Implants are, of course, they're not new, but they're new to me, and I thought by spending the money, I just will put in an implant, which basically is going to last hopefully forever, instead of a bridge breaking or a crown or pulling a tooth or whatever. So anytime I have an extraction, I'm talking to her and about putting in an implant. And I just love my implants. They've worked out very well for me. So you know, like I said, she just does a great job, and the whole staff explaining all those kind of different things that we can do to improve my smile, you know. As an auctioneer, I can't imagine being toothless, but it's important to me, and my appearance, I think, is very important. And when you're in business, and I think the biggest thing why I am so intrigued here is I'm not ran in and ran out. They really, when I have a problem, they know how important it is to me that not only to use my teeth to eat with, but it's very important to have a great smile and be able to be very professional, and you know, with that.